Hello everyone, I'm Jane Jennings, and today I will be talking about the astonishing discovery of an ultra-short period super-Earth exoplanet. So, around the time of November 28th to December 23rd of 2019, researchers discovered an Earth-like ultra-short period exoplanet. It was discovered after observing TOI 1685, its host star, which is a nearby M dwarf star, or otherwise known as a red dwarf star. And the researchers or astronomers discovered it to be one of the least dense ultra short period exoplanets around a red dwarf star known to date, which is why it's so significant. The image on the right shows the light curve TESS of TOI 1685 and the corresponding phase folded light curve, which then brings us to the next slide. The TESS instrument, which is the discovery instrument. This exoplanet was discovered using the TESS instrument, and the TESS instrument is NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, which is where it gets its name from, TESS. And Paz Blum, I think you say his name, of the Heidelberg University in Germany, led a team of international astronomers who collectively discovered and reported the finding of this new exoplanet, which they gave the name TOI 1685b. Obviously after its host star. So far, TESS has identified over 2,500 candidate exoplanets after conducting a survey of about 200,000 of the brightest stars near the Sun. And these candidate exoplanets are known as TESS objects of interest, which is where TOI comes from. And the aim of this survey was or is to find transiting exoplanets, and as of now, 113 of the 2,500 candidate exoplanets have been confirmed. And while observing TOI 1685 using the TESS instrument, they detected a transit signal in the light curve, which would then lead to follow-up precise radial velocity measurements to confirm the nature of the signal and later identify it as TOI 1685b. So this brings us to the instrument used to confirm this signal detected by TESS by the same team of astronomers. They used the Carmenes instrument to obtain high-resolution spectra. And Carmenes stands for the CALAR Alto High Resolution Search for M dwarfs with exo-Earths with near-infrared and optical Echelle, I might be pronouncing that wrong, spectrographs. After using this instrument to confirm the signal, the team of astronomers presented the discovery of this ultra-short period exoplanet and called it TOI 1685b. So, according to the study, the exoplanet TOI 1685b orbits its host star, TOI 1685, with a period of 0.669 days. This exoplanet has a radius of about 1.7 Earth radii and is about 3.78 times more massive than the Earth. This means that it has a bulk density at a level of 4.21 grams per centimeters, which makes it the least dense ultra-short period planet orbiting an M dwarf star that has ever been discovered, which is why this discovery is so significant and interesting. And it also has an equilibrium temperature of approximately 1,069 degrees Kelvin. So because of this, it happens to be one of the hottest transiting Earth-sized exoplanets with accurate dynamical mass measurements known to date, which I also find extremely interesting. And on the right, there's a picture of NASA's TESS hypothetical picture. So these are just some more characteristics of TOI 1685b that I could not fit on the last slide. So we know that it is about 70% larger than the Earth, which makes it pretty large if you think about it. And its orbital period of about 0.67 days makes it a really short orbital period, which would be why it is considered an ultra short period exoplanet. So now let's talk about the host star. Like I said, the host star is a red dwarf star known as TOI 1685, and its spectral type is M3.0V, and it is at a distance of about 122.5 light years from the Earth. It is also about half the size and mass of our sun, but it has an effective temperature of approximately 3,434 degrees Kelvin, and the star's metallicity, which is the proportion of the material of a star that is in elements other than hydrogen or helium, was measured to be at a level of negative 0.13. And finally, its age was estimated to be between 0.6 and 2 billion years old, which is a very wide range of years, 2 billion years being pretty old. So this was also really interesting. After finding and confirming this new super-Earth exoplanet, the same astronomers found evidence of possibly another planet that could be orbiting the same host star, and they're giving this planet the name TOI 1685c, which is not surprising, right after TOI 1685b, and it is estimated to have an orbital period of about 9.02 days, which makes it much longer than Planet B. So at that point, it would not be considered an ultra short period comet or exoplanet, rather. But that's still very interesting. And obviously, further observations and studies are required to even confirm whether this planet belongs to the same system. And based on the current available radial velocity data, they can't confidently prove or claim the detection of the second planet. However, it's a big possibility, and they'll know more with the more information and observations and data that they collect. So that would be very interesting if they did find another planet orbiting the same host star. So in conclusion, starting from the beginning, the international team of astronomers used NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, known as TESS, to detect this new ultra-short period super-Earth exoplanet. And they then used the Carmenes instrument to confirm the signal that was detected by TESS and gave it the name TOI 1685b after its host star, TOI 1685. And they call it a super-Earth exoplanet because it has many Earth-like features. However, it's about 70 times more massive than the Earth itself, which is where the term super-Earth comes in. And the most astonishing part of the discovery is that it is the least dense exoplanet orbiting a red dwarf star that has been discovered so far. So it's very interesting. And there's even a possibility of one more planet orbiting the same host star. However, that is not confirmed, but there's a very high chance that that will be confirmed in the later years when they have more data. So that is all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some interesting facts about this new exoplanet discovered and why it's so interesting and why it is such a job well done by the international team of astronomers. And thank you for watching.